What's poppin', y'all? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl Jaliyahlashan back with another video. And if I sound a little low, it's because I just got up, alright? But anyways, I'm gonna be using the Kiss Dip acrylic kit, and it comes with the dipping powder, the base, activator, a dipping tray. I think that's what this is called. I don't know. Some nail tips. I believe it's 40 in there, but I'm not sure. A nail file, and it has a buffer side, tool replacement, brushes, a cuticle pusher, but I'm gonna be using a bigger one that I got from a different acrylic set. And I'm also using this nail polish and this little soft brush to get off the powder, and these nail stickers. Now all three of those came from a different little nail polish kit. And right now I'm just prepping my nails. I start by cutting them down short because I prefer my nails short when I'm putting on acrylic nails. Once I'm finished cutting my nails, I just go in and push back my cuticles. Once I'm finished with that, I'll just go in with the hand file that came with the kit and file my nails just a little bit, just to get that shine off so the acrylic will stick better. After I finished filing, I just took a harder brush to get all the dust off. So after I have all of my nails picked out, I just took the base and used that to glue on the tips. So after I have all of my tips glued on, I just took this smaller file that I had, and I'm using that to measure the nails. I like to do this because it helps me get an even length throughout all of my nails. So yeah. So after that, I just took my nail clippers and I cut the nails on both sides and broke it in the middle. And I would show y'all me doing that, but I wasn't in frame the whole time, so yeah. But now I'm just cutting off the corners so I can get a better shape. And here you see me cutting the pinky a little slimmer, and that's because I wanted a different shape on the pinky. then I just took my nail file and created the shape that I wanted. Here I was just following the shine off of the nail tips because you want that acrylic to stick, okay? You don't want it to be lifting. And then I just took my same brush that I was using earlier and I just got all of the dust off. Alright, so now what I'm doing is dipping my nails, and I like to start by making a strip down the middle of the nail, and then right above the nail tip, then the middle of the nail bed, and then to the cuticle. And that's how I get the shape that I had. So after I was finished dipping them, I applied about 2 layers of the activator, and then I started filing. Here's how the shape turned out. Now I'm just brushing off the extra powder, and I'm gonna go in with a very thin layer of the nail polish because I want it to just be like a tint, not an actual color. So I just did 1 layer, then I took my stickers and I randomly placed them around the nails, and after I had the desired look, I went in with 2 coats of the dip acrylic. Here's how the nails turned out. Super cute. I hope y'all enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that.